Hello again, everyone. It's Flippin' Crazy. I just wanted to share with you this large flat rate priority box of jewelry that I got, a mystery box online. It was $25, I believe. I guess we'll get right into it. I don't know if we're going to be able to fit everything into the one video. I'm going to try to go as fast as I can. I believe they individually bagged everything, so maybe it'll go faster that way instead of having to deal with tangles. So let me move this box over to the side and we'll get started. And anybody that hasn't subscribed to me already, please do so. I'd really appreciate it. I do have auctions, I have haul videos, I have DIY videos, all sorts of things. And I'm going to be doing some tutorials also and some custom jewelry making videos. You never know what I have. So let's get this open, and that's what it looks like inside. Nice and neat and tidy where everything is bagged. And I'm going to try to set this somewhere. Let me see. Hopefully it'll be clear. Okay, some things I'm just not going to take out of the bags just for time's sake. This is glass beads and hair pipe beads. Well, we'll see. Let's see how long it takes me to do it if I have to take them out of the bags. And so this is like a tribal necklace. Pretty. These are hair pipe beads right here. You have wood beads, you have other natural beads, you have glass beads. So that's pretty cool looking. Greens and yellows and blacks and browns. Okay. I didn't charge my camera fully, so I don't know how long this is going to last. Alright, we have this. V. I don't know who V is, but it was $10.50. Is that the right way? No, this is the way. It's very thin metal. This might be good to repurpose. To use, maybe use the sides for earrings and then reuse the bottom for a pendant. So there's that. Oh, there's a little earring attached to it, hanging from it. It's going to be an orphan earring, because I don't think there's any earrings in this box. This is very cool. Acrylic. It is purples. Here we go. Let me turn that around. Very cool. Chunky statement necklace. I think it takes more time to open the bag than it does to show you the jewelry. Let's see what this is. And where's the chain? Here's the chain. So it's got a long chain on it, and it's got this open heart charm, and it's got a key charm and a heart and a lock and another little key. Cute, right? And if you are watching this, most of these will be showing up at one of my $1 jewelry auctions. And I also have $1 clothing auctions and $1 anything goes auctions. Everything starts at $1. So if you like that kind of thing, come on by. This is itty bitty, and it says to be worn by adults only. Do not leave with a child unattended. This is not a toy. Adult supervision required. Keep bag away from babies and children, but it says to be worn by adults only. So I guess this is for those people that pretend they're littles. They pretend they're babies. It's a baby teething necklace. And they're kind of squishy, rubbery. Interesting. So that's kind of like a little bit of a contradiction in their warning. Strange. Okay. see what we've got in here. We have some of these chokers, you know, preformed wire chokers. I apologize if you hear noise. The train has been coming by a lot today. I have my fan blowing on me, and the guy across the street is doing his yard work. So you may be hearing noise all over the place. I had to shut my door because it was even worse. Oh, this is cute. It's got the hook clasp. Cute. Pink and white swirl. I don't know how good that color's coming up on the camera. I don't know if you can see the pink in it, but it's very cute. There's this gold tone vintage necklace, but it looks like some of the gold tone is rubbed off, so more than likely this will be repurposed, so I'm not even going to bother taking that out of the bag. Let me try to find something else big to show you so I could... There we go. Alright, let's see what this is. And this is going to be almost all necklaces, if not all. That's cute. Cute statement necklace. There you go. Interesting color. Like that. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot in here to go through, guys. There is a lot. There's a lot in here. I don't know if we're going to make it. There's a lot. Put that there. Is that good still? Or is that blurry? Did it go blurry? We'll have to see when I take a necklace out. Alright, let's see what this one is. Another statement piece. That's cool. Pretty. Then it's on a cord. No tag. No sign. It's not signed. Nice. Very nice. Should have had another box to put them in as I went through them. I bought from this person before. Oh, there's a spring clasp. This is cute. And you never know what you're going to get. I hope this is not blurry. Please don't be blurry this time. That'd be awesome. I just can't tell because I'm so close to the viewfinder with my glasses. I don't know. I won't know until I process the video. These are some kind of stone chips. There we go. I don't know if that's citrine or not. It's not. The colors aren't showing up accurately here. That's nice. Oh, what is this? It's got too much wear. It's going to have to be repurposed. So there's this necklace. But I see scratches on the surface, scuffs and such, so that's probably going to be something that's going to be, maybe I'll paint it. I'll do some art on it. Let's see what this is. Okay, well this is broken, but it looks like an easy fix, but I'm not even going to worry about it because a lot of the gold tone is worn. Oh, bonus hair. Lovely. There we go. What's a jewelry lot without bonus hair, guys? So, yeah, this is not in the best shape. The gold tone is really worn. Probably something else that's going to be for repurpose. His stuff used to be really good, and then the quality the last couple boxes has not been the same. But I keep trying. This is cute. Let's see. This is like crackly looking beads. gold tone tassel, and you got 2 more with faux pearls. Spring clasp. That's cute. I like the beads. Got pinks in them and blues in them. Interesting. Plastic. Acrylic. It's vintage. Let's see what this is. Yeah, I think it would take way too long. I don't think we're going to get through this whole box. This is a bunch of circles. It's a long necklace, as you can see. Bunch of circles. Woohoo! There you go. Makes a lovely sound. Okay. This is a leather cord necklace, and it's got a, well, that's cool. It's got a skull bail, elongated skull bail, and it's a skull sword pendant. I like when jewelry is diverse. I've gone on 11 minutes already and I haven't even hit the tip of the iceberg yet. It says Queen Bee. It's a glass dome pendant, you can see. I'm not going to get into a lot of detail about some of these because I want to get through a lot more of these. Alright, let's see what this is. That's cute. Alright. No tag. No maker's tag on that. We have, this is just a black and white chunky acrylic necklace. That'll help us move along faster. We have some faux pearls. What is this? Oh, interesting. Let me try to get this out of the bag. I have to test and see if that stone's real. It looks real. I don't know if this is an anklet or a bracelet or a choker or all of the above. And this says White House Black Market. This is a White House Black Market. I guess it's a choker. And this looks like sodalite. We'll see. On a braided cord. Maybe I'll wear that to the next auction. Who knows? Let's go through some of these quickly so we can get caught up. We have this silver tone necklace, like tribal looking beads, but boho kind of stuff on a twisted cord. We have these chunky acrylic beads, like a light wine color. This is mesh links, gold tone. Ooh, cool. That's neat. Signed, I don't know which way those letters go. Maybe, oh, ETC. Signed ETC. That's cool. This is interesting. Here's a lion pendant. Big lion pendant, and it's on this like antique-y finish chain. More faux pearls. Get a lot of those. More faux pearls. More faux pearls. This is cool. This is a choker. Let's see what it looks like out of the bag. We have to reform it. He kind of squished it getting into the... I might just do something else with them. Yeah, because this has wear. I might use one of the other ones that I showed earlier and put them on that. But they're cool. And they're round. Look at that. That's neat. Yeah, I might transfer them over to another choker. Cool. Yes, I say cool a lot. Sounds like little wind chimes when they hit each other. This is a pearl lariat, faux pearl lariat necklace. Ooh, this is an interesting piece. Shell. This is nice. Wow, nice inlay work with mother of pearl. And shell and shell. Ooh, look at that iridescence on that. A very nice chunky piece. Wow. Barrel clasp. Try to show you the whole thing in my hand here. It's pretty big. Nice. Different. Nice for summer. Looks like something somebody would wear to a beach event, you know, or on a cruise ship. Okay, this is acrylic. Cute. It's like red-orange. Little mini statement necklace. I'm running out of room here. I have piles all around me. I can't move. Okay, this is copper tone. There's the chain. And then it's got this little guy. Is this a locket or not? I think it's a locket. Yep. Let me see. Oh, it's that's cute. It's like it seems to me like it's it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. I think the rabbit pulls out his pocket watch and says he's going to be late. I don't know, that's cute anyway. Maybe just take that out and put somebody's picture in there instead. It's a cute piece. Let me just take out a pile here and put it on the side. Okay. Nice multicolored necklace. Alright, we're only 18 minutes. Trying to keep this short. Not short, but bearable. That's cute. All acrylic. Just twist it all together. Or sometimes people don't twist them and they just leave them straight. But usually they twist them all together. I can't do it now, but you get the idea, like that. Nice colorful piece to go with many outfits. Hope everybody's doing good today. Oh, okay, here we go. It's got the fold over clasp. I think it has a name on it. It says Japan. It says Japan on the back of the fold over clasp. And it is a tassel necklace. It's still a little tangled at the bottom. There we go. Sort of better. And then there was this thing was put in with it, but it's not even part of it. I don't know. I don't know what that's. Oh, this was an earring too he threw in. Alright, this is another single earring. Something to make something with. Okay. And you have this gold tone with black and a tassel at the bottom. The necklace is broken. It's not broken, the O-ring on the end is missing. We have that. I don't want to be here a long time to take up everybody's time, so I'm trying to move quickly. Sorry guys. That's pretty. Yep, Leah Sophia, just as I suspected. You could usually tell their jewelry after a while. It's cute. It is signed Leah Sophia. They have a certain style. This is a winged heart necklace. What is the name on that? Okay, it's a Claire's. Winged heart with stones. Here you go. I'm not even a quarter way through this box. It feels like it's just... I take more out and it doesn't even look like I made a dent in it. We might have to do this in 2 parts. Okay, hematite, heart, open heart, with some crystal, green crystal, very pretty. There you go. More faux pearls. Here is a, what is the name on that? KC, it's marked KC on the back. It's a cute pendant, teal color with a chain. We have another circles necklace. Sorry guys, I don't want to bore you with all showing every single thing. So this is a pink cat's eye necklace, nice pendant. This is a, looks like a piece of rose quartz. This is an interesting piece. Let's take this one out and look. Oh, it's cute. Very cute. Not signed, but cute nonetheless. I like the design on it. Very Brighton-esque. Well, we still have a lot to go, guys. This is very pretty. Gold tone and like an aqua blue, deep aqua blue. Nice statement piece. Pretty. We have, what is this? Gold tone balls with some crystal. Let me see where the end is. There is somewhere to the back of the chain where the back of the neck is. A little off colored. The gold tone has been worn off, but the bottom half still looks nice. It's very pretty. You won't, if you have long hair, you won't see that. It's too pretty of a necklace just to get rid of because the back has wear from where nobody's really going to see it if your hair covers it. So I'll just disclose that when I sell it. Oh boy, we still have tons and tons and tons to go through here. And tons and tons and tons. Alright, this is a gold link chain. You can see there. I'm really running out of room. How am I going to do this? I don't think I'm going to be able to show you everything today, honestly. More faux pearls. They have a pale green tint to them. Wow. This is pretty. Let's see how this is connected here. There we go. Very cute. Three different lengths. This is acrylic, but cute. Very cheery. The color is a little bit more peachy, corally than it's showing here on my camera. On a long chain. Another statement necklace. Pretty. There we go. No name. Nice. I like how they did the sides. Pale yellow. Semi-transparent. Nice. Ooh, this one's neat. There we go. Let me hold it up. Oops, this is backwards. This is cute. It's a nice statement piece. It's easier to show you the big ones and get them out of the way. There's a lot of small ones this time. Let me get them mixed up. I'll just take more out here. See how much we can look at. I'll be right back. I need another box. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let me get these out of the way that I already went through. This is the never-ending box. Not a bad buy for $25, I'll tell you. Okay. More faux pearls. Then we have just a little hemp necklace, macrame with some kind of, looks like an agate star in there. This is pretty. Ooh, that's cute. That's very cute. Very cute. Nice blue necklace. Okay. See if we get rid of the faux. See, this is garbage. I'll reuse the clasp, but I could see right now the finishes off of some of these faux pearls, so that's going to be repurposed. Oh, cool. That's neat. Like that. I like how they made it two separate pieces. Different. Oh, seed beads. Seed beads and bugle beads. Or not bugle beads. Oh, wow. What direction does this go in? I guess it goes like this. I don't know if I can even show you in camera. Wow. Kind of hangs like that. It's heavy. It's got seed beads, glass seed beads, and it's got metal beads. Very pretty. Very long. Very long. Look at that. That's a nice piece. Another statement piece. What I get from this guy is mostly costume, a lot of statement pieces. I'm going to start getting to more of the stone jewelry and maybe some sterling jewelry also in the near future. But for right now, this is good, and I'll work my way into the other stuff. More faux pearl. This is a little kissing girl and boy necklace. I'm sure you remember seeing them back in the day. What is this? This is very colorful. Oh, it's a teacher themed necklace. We have a school bus. We have A+ teacher. It's a little book and a school. Cute. Cute necklace. Nice gift. Maybe a kindergarten teacher or a preschool teacher would like that. Nice colors. Looks like we have another seed bead and bugle bead necklace here. Ooh, pretty, pretty. There we go. Very nice. Needs to be straightened out a little bit, but you get the idea. This one. Well, we're at 30 minutes already. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is a chunky link necklace, and it's either glass or stone. I don't know, I think, well, it's too bad they have the hole through the ring, because I would have just taken this off and just left it as a gold tone necklace. Kind of really doesn't need that at the bottom. Maybe I'll just use it for repurpose. Whoopsie. Whoopsie, sorry guys. Oh, hope I didn't mess up the focus after that. It's a cute necklace with some stones and on a leather cord. There you go. Blurry. Did I mess it up? Sorry, don't want to make everybody dizzy. Oh, another loose earring mixed in with this necklace. The necklace is signed. I have to get it apart. It's kind of... Oh, it's got a heart with dots. Somebody said that's Stella and Dot, but it's kind of tangled here, so we'll deal with that some other time. These are stone or glass. Got another single earring, but none of them match the other single earrings. Oh. Yeah, see, we have all this still. All this, and even more in the box. So I think we're going to have to do a part 2. We got faux pearls. More faux pearls with, ooh, that's pretty. Look at the starfish in there. That's nice. We have more faux pearls with some metal rings. Here's another, ooh, pretty colors. Ooh, the colors in this are gorgeous. They're probably not even going to show good on here. Wow. That is cool. I like that. And then I see, here's a necklace of a single one, but instead of that teal color, this one has more of a pink color, and it's got a little tassel. It's the same kind of acrylic. That's cool. It's on a very long chain. That has some wear to the chain too, so that might have to be transferred to another chain. Then we have Aim High. It's got 2 crossed arrows. Make a wish and put on your necklace. Aim high for far and wide. Don't let the fear of misfire hold you back from your dreams. Wear your necklace as a reminder that if you stay true to yourself, you will always choose the right path. Well, that's nice. Here's a boho-y necklace with those discs. Oh, look, more faux pearls. A lot of their glass, though. Glass faux pearls. Here we go. This is definitely a boho necklace. It's on cord. It's an adjustable cord. And that's what it looks like. The medallion. I think maybe we'll cut this short in another couple minutes and then do the rest some other time. This is cute. Oh, it's an owl. This is not working out well where my tripod is. It's in a bad spot. Oh, I see what happened. My leg moved on it when it fell the first time. Let me see. Nothing but mishaps for this video. I don't do edits. Whatever you see is what you're gonna get. Cute owl. This is more of a teal color than a true blue color. Cute black stone eyes. Nice chain. Keep hitting with my arm, which I have to stop doing. This is a little tangled. Here we go. Is there a name? Yes, there's a name. It is Cookie Lee. But it's print Cookie Lee, not script Cookie Lee. It's weird. The name looks different. But there's that. It's like a burgundy color. This looks interesting. Oh, it's like on an antique looking chain, and it's got this little ball with purple stones, and then it's got this piece here and a tassel hanging from it. Very pretty. Nice accent by using that bead over it. And you can see that on the front and the back. It goes all the way through. That's cool. Oh, we know where this is going. Nowhere. Little kitty cat cleaning. Copper tone kitty cat. Mine. It goes over there. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is gold tone and blues and whites and faux pearls. And it's loaded with little shells and starfish and more different shells, metal shells, real shells. How does this go? Backwards. Cute. Nice one. I like the shape of these. This is cute. It's got like that faux distressed look with that little bit faux verdigris on it. These are cute. This would be a great repurpose piece. The shapes on here are really neat. I like this one. Let me keep this one. Try to empty out the box. Let's see what we're dealing with, how much is left. A lot. Really hoping to get this, whoops, dropped one. Hope to get this all in one video, but okay, so we have this cute octopus necklace. Peach color necklace with a tassel, gold tone, a long chain. This is pretty. This looks like an agate slice on a nice chain with some crystals and some glass beads. I have to untangle the end. That's pretty. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Let's get into high gear. Okay. There's this. Very pretty. Little things are switched around, but you can get the idea on that. Those are very sparkly cut glass right there. It's a nice one in the middle too. Nice chunky necklace. Those pretty colors, and looks like some lampwork beads and some bone beads. Toggle clasp. And it's tied in a knot. Nope, no it's not. Cute. Nice glass. Like some Millefiori beads, art glass. You got some lampwork glass and some bone. Which design is this? I thought this was an initial. But all this we still have to go through. You can't see, it's all pushed to the side. Is that an L? I don't know what that is. Oh, we have that. Maybe an insignia, I'm not sure. Then we have this triangle necklace. I'm not going to take it out. Gold tone. A little hearts necklace. One has stones in it. This hammered look necklace. Pretty. And it's signed JL. Glass. Oh, this is for your glasses, and it's got another earring attached to it. This is a glasses holder. A glasses holder. Oh, look, I can see it better closer, right? Is this showing better closer up now? I think I messed something up on the camera when I kept dropping it. I wouldn't be surprised. Here's a heart necklace. What does it say? Let me read this with my thing. It says, "I'm not a widow. I'm a wife to a husband with wings." Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Maybe I have to show things close up. I guess I won't know how this video turns out till I load it. Big surprise. Okay, this is tangled up too, but it's got all sorts of little charms, flowers, birds, and whatnot on it. This looks like some kind of stone. It's peachy and pale yellow. This is another statement necklace. Here you go, nice greens. Another necklace with circles. Here's an elongated length necklace. There you go, with a toggle. Here's a necklace of pretty blues. Pretty blues. There you go. More faux pearls. And we have a necklace that looks like, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it's Harry Potter. Harry Potter shield, or maybe it's something else. Oh, this is cute. It's like a crystal in a basket or a cage. That's neat. I just lost the bag for it. Alright, so we're already at 45 minutes and I have all this left to go, so I think we're just going to save this for another time before I start a jewelry jar. I'll just finish the rest of these. We still have this, it would take like another half hour to go through all this. So I think we're going to end it here, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit that notification bell and set it to all. Hope to see you at some of the auctions. Hope you get to watch some of my other content. Join Auction Hoppers Auctions group on Facebook if you can. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. And we'll save the rest of the stuff for another video. Probably when I do a jewelry jar. I have some jewelry jars here waiting to be done. So I will go through this stuff first and then I will go right into a jewelry jar. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And I will see you soon. Bye.